Please record.
Yes. I think we're waiting on a witness, aren't we?
Okay, I wasn't sure if they were bringing him in or not. Mr. Freer.
You promise swear the testimony you have given that I am now hearing shall be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, and help you God? Yes.
Mr. Baez.
Please record. Could you please introduce yourself? State your name.
Vou poder apresentar o homem e falar com o nome.
Yes, first name Aquilino, last name Ferrer.
And what is your profession, sir?
Could you spell your last name, please, for our court reporter?
Last name F-R-E-I-R-E.
And what is your profession, sir?
Comcast technician.
And I'd like to direct your attention to July 16th of 2012, the evening of the incident. Do you recall that evening?
Sorry, I would like to continue with the translator.
Yes.
Então chamava a atenção para dia 16 de julho de 2012, na de noite, na dia que esse incidente aconteceu.
Sim.
Yes.
The way this is going to work, have you ever testified before a court?
E alguma vez eu vou dar testemunho no tribunal? Yes.
Okay. I'm going to ask you certain questions. Just wait until I'm finished. The interpreter will then interpret what I say, and then you can feel free to complete your answer with her. Okay?
Então, espera, me vai fazer umas perguntas, vou te esperar até terminar toda a pergunta. Vou esperar que o intérprete traduzir a pergunta, depois vou te responder. Yes.
Now, the day of the incident, do you recall that day, sir?
No dia que o incidente aconteceu, você lembra aquele dia?
Sim.
Yes.
Okay. Now, where were you seated in the car?
E onde é que você estava sentado na carro?
Para trás,
On the back?
Okay. Where in the back?
Onde era para trás?
no meio.
In the middle.
Okay. And when did you get in the back seat of the car?
E quando é que eu vou entrar para a parte de trás do carro?
Cancelando.
I don't remember.
Was it inside the parking garage or when they came out?
Então, foi dentro da garagem ou foi depois que saí?
Cancelando.
I don't remember.
And when you got in the car, did you speak to anyone in the car?
E quando eu vou entrar na carro, vou papiar com alguém dentro do carro?
Cancelando.
I don't remember.
Was there any music playing in the car when you got in the car?
E tinha alguma música a tocar quando eu vou entrar dentro do carro?
Talvez cancelando.
Tá, maybe, I don't remember.
Was there any music being played at any point in the car as you guys left the club?
E quando eu saí do clube, a alguma altura estava música a tocar na carro?
Cancelando.
I don't remember.
Did you have your cell phone with you at that time?
E na altura, eu tinha o celular com você?
Yeah.
Yes, I had.
Were you looking at your phone in the car?
E na carro, você estava esperando o telefone?
Talvez cancelando.
Maybe, I don't remember.
When you turned on Tremont Street, what were you doing?
E quando eu viram na Tremont Street, onde, cosa que você estava a fazer?
Por ser mais específico, não sei. Por ser mais específico.
Can you be a little more specific?
As soon as the car turned onto Tremont Street, what exactly were you doing?
Assim que o carro vira para Tremont Street, cosa que você estava a fazer?
Quando tu não estava dentro do carro,
When we were inside the car?
Yes.
Sim.
estava no caminho para casa.
We were on our way to go home.
And what were you doing in the car?
E o que é que você estava de fazer na carro?
Nada, só sentado dentro de casa.
Nothing, I was just sitting in the car.
And did the car come to a stop at any time?
E chega a alguma altura que o carro para.
A única altura que ainda lembro que o carro para, quando para na light.
The only time that I remember that the car stopped is when we stopped at the light.
And when you stopped at the light, was the window open or closed in the back, passenger side?
E caminhou para na luz, que a janela estava barriba de baixo, de trás.
Fechado.
It was closed.
What about in the front passenger side?
E naquele banda de passageiros de frente?
I don't know.
I don't know.
And when you were stopped at the stoplight, what happened next?
E quando eu estava parado na luz, o que aconteceu depois?
SUV para no nosso lado.
The SUV stopped on the side, on our side.
And what happened next after
E
that?
o que aconteceu depois?
And then eu começo a fazer alguma coisa, depois eu começo a atirar.
And then he started saying something and then start shooting.
What did he say?
O que ele falou?
What's up, Negroes?
What's up, Negroes?
And do you recall specifically those words, what's up, Negroes?
E você lembra especificamente que as palavras What's up, Negroes?
Tu sabes quando foi que ela se
What are you trying to say that I don't understand?
My question is, are you certain that this person who shot at your car specifically said, what's up, Negroes?
E você tem certeza que aquela pessoa que dá tiro no meu carro fala que as palavras exatamente What's up, Negroes? Yes.
Did you hear anything else other than what's up, Negroes?
E ouvi mais alguma coisa além de What's up, Negroes?
No.
Não.
Did you hear laughter?
Ouvi alguém tá rir.
Você lembra?
I don't remember.
What did you see?
Coisa eu vejo.
Foi a minha coisa que mais.
What do you mean what I saw?
What did you see after hearing what's up, Negroes?
Coisa que eu vejo depois que eu ouvi What's up, Negroes?
Aquela vez começou a atirar. Começou a vir a polícia de estado.
And that person started shooting and I could hear the gun.
Just so I'm clear, you didn't see anything, you just heard the guns, shots.
Então, só para ter certeza, porque já nada, você ouvi só tiro.
Você lembra aquele alguém com o chapéu preto, camisola preto?
I remember the person with the black hat and a shirt black.
So there was a person with a black hat and a black shirt.
Então, tinha uma pessoa com chapéu preto e camisa preta.
Sim.
Yes.
And what was their race?
E qual era essa raça?
Será assim que sabe, tem lá skin.
I don't know the race, it was light skin.
And what else do you remember about that person?
E que mais você lembra daquela pessoa?
Você não lembra de modo nesse rosto?
What I remember, what, in his face?
What else can you tell us about the person that shot at your car?
E coisa mais que vou poder falar daquela pessoa que dá tiro na minha cara?
Aquele que embora falou.
That's all I can say.
Que tem barro no rosto.
There was no beard on the face.
Tem tattoos.
It has tattoos.
Where did you see tattoos?
On the border tattoo.
Na mão.
On his hands.
On his hands?
Na mão.
Na mão. Na arma.
In the arm.
What kind of shirt was he wearing? Was it a t-shirt, a polo shirt, a dress shirt?
E cos'è che stava vestito? Era un camisola?
Non me lembro só qual.
I don't remember, I just remember the color.
You don't remember if it was a short sleeve or long sleeve?
E você se lembra se era manga curta ou manga comprida?
No.
No.
Was he wearing any jewelry?
E ele estava a usar algum joia?
Brinco.
Earrings.
Earrings?
Brinco?
Yeah.
Yes.
What kind of earrings?
E qual tipo de brinco?
You mean qual é tipo de brinco down?
What do you mean what kind? A men's earrings?
Diamond, just a gold.
Diamond.
Diamond? Diamond.
So diamond earrings on both ears?
Então, era brinco de diamante nas duas orelhas?
I mean, stava de lado, não podia hoje ser tudo rosa, não se lembra.
I was to the side, I could only see one side, I couldn't see both, I cannot remember.
What side of the face did you see? Was it the left side or the right?
E qual é essa banda de cara que vou hoje? A banda esquerda ou a banda direita?
I mean, primeiro estava de banda esquerda, depois eu vira rosto, só esse rosto assim.
First it was on the left, then he turned his face and I saw his face like this.
When you say like this, are you meaning the front of his face?
Quando for acima ali, a parte de frente de cara?
Ja, quando vira a cara, é parte de cara, não podia hoje se tinha brinco na tudo rosa reja, não.
When he turned, I could see the face, but I could not tell if I could not see if he had earrings on both his ears.
But you know at least one on the left.
Mas pelo menos na esquerda você sabia. Yes.
A diamond earring.
É um brinco de diamante.
Estava taxando só, não sabia se diamond ou não.
It was shiny, so I don't know if it was diamond.
Now, did you see the gun?
E boa de que pistola?
Senhor de que pistola?
If I saw what the gun?
Yes, sir.
Sim.
I mean, quando começa a tirar, não pode prestar atenção na pistola, mas não sabia a pistola.
When he started shooting, I wasn't going to pay attention to the gun, but I knew he was shooting.
So my question is again, did you see the gun?
Então eu pergunto outra vez, é
Sim.
boa de que pistola? Yes.
What color was the gun?
E qual é a cor que aquele pistola tinha?
I don't remember.
I don't remember.
Is a automatic or a revolver?
Te lembra se ele era automático ou revólver?
Casado?
I don't know.
Excuse me, semi-automatic or a revolver?
Se ele era automático ou revólver?
Casado, nem que é profissional de pistola.
I don't know. I'm not professional in pistols.
Now, did you see the individual shooting with his right hand or his left hand?
E hoje aquele pessoa te dá tiro com mão direita ou mão esquerda?
Porque alguém se lembra, esquerda.
For what I remember, left.
And was the person's arm outside of the car,
Sim.
or was their whole body outside of the car?
Então, o braço daquela pessoa estava tudo fora ou seu corpo estava fora de casa?
Só o braço. Só o braço.
Just the arm.
So simply just the arm,
Então é só o braço,
nothing else.
não mais nada.
Ele estava dentro do carro, só.
He was in the car, so.
And his body or his head never made it outside of the car.
E seu corpo com sua cabeça nunca saiu fora de carro.
Poderia ser cabeça, você braço, mas o resto do corpo estava no carro.
I could see his head and the arm, but the rest of the body was inside the car.
This, I want to make sure you understand my question. What was outside of the window of the car?
Não queria ter
Was it
certeza.
just the arm?
Só
Não
o
queria
braço
ter
estava
certeza que
fora.
você entendeu a pergunta. O que estava fora de carro era só o braço?
Só o braço.
Yes, just the arm.
And the other person in the car, well, how many people did you see in the car?
E aquela outra pessoa na carro? Bom, quanto alguém que boja dentro de carro?
Eu podia contar.
I cannot tell you.
Did you see more than one person in the car?
E boja mais do que uma pessoa dentro de carro?
Sim.
Yes.
Did you see anybody in the back seat?
E boja alguém sentado na cadeira de trás?
Estava.
Yeah, there was.
Did you see a woman in the car?
E boja uma mulher dentro de carro?
A mim, para cabelo, só passava com mulher, mas nunca soube se mulher ou não.
By the hair, it looked like a woman, but I don't know if it was a woman.
So it was either a woman with long hair or a male with long hair.
Então, ou era uma mulher com cabelo comprido ou um homem com cabelo comprido.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And that person was not the shooter.
E aquela pessoa, que foi ele que deu tiro?
Não.
Não.
Were the shots fired from the driver's side or from the passenger side in the back?
E tiro bem da banda do condutor ou passageiro na parte de trás?
Condutor.
A driver.
Did anyone else shoot from any position in the car?
E mais
Other
alguém,
position, excuse me.
mais alguém da tiro de outra posição na carro?
I mean, I don't know.
I don't know.
Now, as the shots were being fired, did you get a good look at the shooter?
E enquanto estava a dar tiro, vou espiar aquela pessoa que estava a dar tiro direito?
Nunca podia focar com ele, se dará tiro.
I could not focus on him, he was shooting.
So the answer would be no.
Então a resposta é não. Não.
Now, after the shots were being fired, you were hit?
E depois que estava a dar tiro, ele danabou?
Yeah.
Yes.
And how many times were you hit?
E quanto vezes é que dava o tiro?
Só aquele outro ferrado. Só que fica no braço, aquele outro só ferradão.
That was just one that stayed in the arm, the other one just passed.
So 2 times.
Então, duas vezes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Now, the person in the back seat, were they in the passengers behind the passenger seat or the driver's?
E que as pessoas que estavam na parte de trás, estava atrás do condutor ou atrás do passageiro de frente?
Aquele estava atrás.
The ones that were in the back?
Yes.
Sim.
Um estava atrás do condutor, aquele estava atrás do passageiro.
And one was behind the driver and the other one was behind the passenger.
So you saw 2 people in the back seat.
Então, boa, duas pessoas
Não.
na parte de trás do carro.
Ou não, na carro que estava, ou aquele outro carro.
No, the car that I was riding or the other car.
No, the other car.
Naquele outro carro.
The SUV.
Naquele SUV.
I don't know, I don't remember.
I don't remember.
And the woman that you described, was she in the passengers up front or in the back seat?
E aquela mulher que eu vou descrever, estava sentado
Frente.
na passageira de frente ou na parte de trás?
Frente.
Front.
And what did the person look like in the back seat?
E aquela pessoa que está sentado na parte de trás, mas aquele parceiro?
I don't remember.
I don't remember.
Was it black?
É de preto? Branco?
I could focus on it, so
I didn't focus on them.
After you were shot, what happened next?
Depois que eles davam o tiro, o que aconteceu?
no deixo de carro.
We got out of the car.
And what did you do?
E o que eu vou fazer?
Actually, let me stop. Let me withdraw that question.
Deixa eu retirar aquela pergunta.
What door did you go out of when you got out of the car?
Quando você sair do carro, qual é a porta que você saiu?
Liga para dentro.
I don't remember.
And what did you do as soon as you got out of the car?
E o que eu vou fazer assim que eu vou sair do carro?
Primeira coisa que tenta saber, tenta de ouvir driver com passengers in the front, se está ok. Depois sim começa a ouvir para ajuda.
First, I was check to see if the driver and the front passenger are okay, and then I went looking for help.
And what arrived first, the paramedics or the police?
E quem chegou primeiro, ambulância ou polícia?
I don't remember.
I don't remember.
And eventually they both arrive.
E depois que os dois chegam,
E depois que os dois chegam, depois.
then the two arrive. What happened?
Did eventually both police and the paramedics arrive?
E depois polícia com ambulância chega?
Yeah.
Yes.
And did you have your wounds tended to by the paramedics?
E que os bombeiros começaram a tratar os ferimentos?
I mean, es fue una ambulancia después. Fica a falar Rashidi para ver comigo. That's all I remember.
Then they placed me in the ambulance and I was telling Rashid to come with me.
And did Mr. Sanchez go with you?
E o senhor Sánchez Bacabo?
No.
No.
Did the police talk to you there while you were in the ambulance?
E a polícia papia como quando estava na ambulância?
That's a bad.
I don't remember.
Did anyone ask you what happened while you were there?
E enquanto estava lá, alguém perguntava o que aconteceu. I don't remember.
Did you see the police talking to Mr. Sanchez?
E hoje a polícia está papia com o senhor Sánchez. I don't remember.
Did you see Mr. Lopez there?
E hoje o senhor Lopes lá.
Kill ups.
Who Lopes?
Gerson Lopez?
Gerson Lopes.
Canto que estava na ambulância.
When I was in the ambulance?
Yes.
Sim.
I don't remember him.
I don't remember him.
How do you know Danny Abreu?
Manda que bom conche Daniel Abreu.
Ali na meta, através de prima de minha mulher.
It was here in America through my wife's cousin.
And what about Safiro Fortalo? How do you know him?
E Safiro Furtado, manda que conche.
Me queria junto.
We grew up together.
Up together.
What about Gerson Lopez? How do you
E
know him?
Gerson Lopes, manda que conche.
Since gay birth. It's been a while, so. Because I put your tempo, it felt like we queria junto com você.
I've known him for a long time and we practically say we grew up together.
And Mr. Sanchez.
E o senhor Sanchez?
Walking by yourself?
How do I know him?
Yes.
Sim.
I mean, ainda fazendo música, ele está fazendo música, só eu sigo no coach.
I used to make music, he makes music, and that's how we met.
Now, after you were taken to the hospital, the police came to see you, right?
Depois que eles levavam ao hospital, a polícia vai espiar, não é verdade?
Yeah.
Yes.
And you wanted to help them find whoever was responsible for this.
E eu queria ajudar que para o que a pessoa responsável por fazer essas coisas, verdade?
Like, foi para ser mais específico no bem.
Can you be a little more specific?
When the police came to speak to you, you wanted to help them find whoever shot at you.
Quando a polícia vai para piar com o bobo, eu queria ajudar que para achar quem que tinha feito essas coisas com o bobo, verdade?
I mean, naquele momento não estava preocupado com saber, mas se meus amigos estavam preto ou não. So,
At the moment, I was more concerned if my friends were well or not.
Did you want to lie to the police when they came to speak with you?
Então, eu queria contar por mentira para a polícia que eles vão para piar com o bobo?
oh,
Não.
You wanted to help them.
Eu queria ajudar.
Yeah, claro.
Of course.
And you wanted to be as accurate as you possibly could be with them.
Então, eu queria fazer o mais correto que eu podia com eles, que é verdade?
yeah,
Yes.
And tell them everything you knew.
E faz tudo coisa que eu sabia.
yeah.
Yeah.
And you did tell them everything you knew.
E eu faz tudo coisa que eu sabia.
Yeah, tudo que eu sabia, tudo que eu se lembrava no momento, yeah.
Everything that I remembered at the moment, yes.
And you told them everything that you remembered that happened that evening.
E eu faço tudo coisa que vou lembrar que aconteceu naquele noite.
Yeah.
Yes.
You told them that you went to the Pure nightclub.
E eu faço que vou lá para aquele clube.
Yeah.
Yes.
You told them that you guys had, how much you had to drink?
E vou frase canto e tinha bebido?
A mim, que podia falar esse canto que tinha bebido, pô, nunca se lembrava, like, exato, canto. So.
I could not tell them exactly how much I had drank because I couldn't remember
More or
exactly.
less, how many drinks? You
Mais ou menos canto bebida vou tomar. Yes.
And you told them that what time you arrived?
E vou frase que hora que vou chegar?
Chica Club.
Arrived at the club?
Yes.
Sim.
Yeah, average mais ou menos.
An average, more or less.
Okay. And you told them that you didn't have any problems with anyone at the nightclub?
E vou frase que nunca tinha nenhum problema com ninguém naquele clube? Yes.
And you told them that you didn't
So,
see any of your friends?
Let's get to the issues here, please.
You told them everything you knew, correct?
Vou frase tudo que vou sabia, correto?
Yeah.
Yes.
And you told them that you could not describe the car.
E vou frase que nunca podia dar uma descrição de carro.
So, que ela, naquela noite, que coisa acontece ou depois?
That was at the night that the thing happened or after?
Yes, the night of the incident.
Sim, na noite que as coisas aconteceram.
I mean, eu não estava, like, naquele, assim, naquele momento, você entende, aquele momento de precipitação, so, yeah, nunca estava te lembrar exato, like, market first.
At the moment that I was really agitated, I couldn't remember what had happened.
So my question to you was, you told them that you couldn't describe the car that shot at you.
Então, foi uma frase que eu podia dar uma descrição de carro que deu um tiro.
I mean, it's been a while, so I got to them.
It's been a while, so I don't remember.
You told them that you couldn't describe who the shooter was.
E uma frase que eu podia dar uma descrição de quem é que a pessoa que dá tiro.
Yeah, naquele momento, yeah.
At the moment, yes.
And you told them that you didn't get a good look at anyone in the car.
E uma frase que eu cuspia direto qualquer alguém que estava na carro.
Got to them.
I don't remember.
I can have just a moment. You told them that you only glanced over at the car. Is that
E
correct?
uma frase que vou só espiar a cozinha faixa na carro, que é verdade?
Quem falou polícia?
That I told the police?
Yes.
Sim.
I don't know, that's it.
I don't remember.
Do you recall telling them that you heard somebody say, how you guys doing?
E vou lembrar que frase que vou ouvir alguém te falar, mas não está.
Me sempre, I don't remember.
I don't remember.
Do you recall telling them that you did not pay attention to the car?
E vou lembrar que a frase nunca presta atenção na carro.
Objection asked and answered. Overruled.
Quem falou polícia?
That I told the police?
Yes.
Sim.
I don't remember.
I don't remember.
Do you recall telling them that you did not pay attention to the people who were shooting?
E vou lembrar que a frase nunca presta atenção naquelas pessoas que estavam a dar tiro.
I mean, walking flow, aquela, so, tudo que foi polícia naquele momento, assim estava naquele momento de pânico, so, ainda se lembra.
Like I told you before, everything that I told the police then, I was at the moment of panic, so I don't remember.
This took place hours after the shooting, right? When you
Yeah.
spoke to the police at the hospital?
Quando eu papia com a polícia no hospital foi uns horas depois daquele tiroteio, é verdade?
Yeah,
Yes.
And this was after you already had your wounds tended to.
E aquele é depois que eles faziam o curativo. I don't remember.
Now, who was the first person you spoke to after that night, other than the police?
Além da
about this
polícia,
incident?
naquele noite, quem que foi a primeira pessoa que vou papiar com ele?
Depois do hospital,
After the hospital?
Yes.
Sim.
dependendo.
I don't remember.
The next day, did you speak to Mr. Sanchez?
E no dia seguinte vou papiar com o Sr. Sanchez.
Yeah.
Yes.
Did you tell him what you saw?
E vou falar com o Zico Boja.
I don't remember.
I don't remember.
Did he tell you what he saw?
E ele falava com o Zico Loja?
I mean, não fala tio coisa, não te lembra? Coisa que flan, coisa que fala.
We talked a lot. I don't remember what he told me, and I don't remember what I told him.
You've spoken to him a lot about this case.
E eu vou papiar com ele sobre esse caso.
Yeah, oh yeah.
Yes, oh yes.
And the two of you have talked about what you remember from that evening?
E nós dois eu papiar com o Zico nós lembra daquele noite?
Talvez não pode, mas se lembra coisa que me fala qual. Só
Oh.
isso pergunta mesmo é problema.
We talked, but I don't remember what exactly we talked, and you're asking the same question.
Have you ever told Mr. Sanchez what you saw that evening?
E alguma vez vou falar ao Sr. Sanchez, coisa que eu vou olhar naquele noite?
Yeah, não fala, mas se lembra coisa que me fala.
We did speak, but I don't remember what I told him.
Has he ever told you what he saw that evening?
E alguma vez ele falava coisa que ele olhou naquele noite?
Nós vamos de fazer a mesma pergunta. Só.
Once again, you ask the same question.
That's a different question.
É uma
I'm asking
pergunta
you what
diferente.
he told you about what he saw.
Agora estou fazendo pergunta, se ele falava coisa que ele olhou.
I don't know.
I don't remember.
What about Mr. Lopez? Did you talk to him about what you saw?
E o Sr. Lopes, vou papiar com ele sobre coisa que eu vou olhar.
I mean, and this go jail for like for days. So
Lopes, I didn't see him for days.
When you did finally see him, did you tell him what you saw?
E quando vou olhar, vou falar coisa que vou olhar.
I mean, like I said, after that, depois de que ela go jail por dias. So depois que me go jail, ainda se lembra. A primeira coisa que me fala it was about what?
Like I said, we went for days without seeing him, and then when I saw him, I don't remember exactly what we spoke.
Did he ever tell you what he saw?
E alguma vez ele falava coisa que ele olhou.
I don't. Capaz se não tinha fala naquele assunto.
I don't believe we come to talk about that topic.
Do you recall going to meet with detectives in this case?
E você lembra que vou encontrar com o detetive nesse caso?
Counsel, I think it would be helpful to give some time period on this.
After the shooting on July 16, 2012, did you ever meet with detectives or the prosecutors in this case?
E depois do dia daquele tiroteio de 16 de julho de 2012, vou encontrar com o detetive ou promotor de justiça nesse caso?
Yeah.
Yes.
This was approximately a few days after the incident?
E que lá foi uns dias depois do incidente?
Those years, those years.
2 days after.
Counsel, let me see you at sidebar. All, well, some counsel. Mr. Baez.
Please report. Do you recall going 2 days after the incident to testify before the grand jury?
Você lembra que vou vai depois do incidente, 2 dias depois vai dar testemunho diante do júri grande.
Is that a yes?
E que ele
Yes,
sim?
yes.
Yes.
And this is after you've had some time to reflect on things.
Que ele depois que vou ter tempo que para pensar nas coisas.
I mean, 2 dias depois ainda still estava na mesma situação.
Still 2 days after, I was still in the same condition.
You were already released from the hospital?
E já tinha dado alta do hospital?
Yeah.
Yes.
You've been home for a couple of days?
E tinha uns dias que eu estava na casa?
Dias que eu estava na casa, de hospital para dia que eu falo com a prostituta.
Days that I was at home from the hospital to the time that I spoke with the prosecutor?
Yes.
Sim.
Like I said, it was only 2 days.
Like I said, it was only 2 days.
And when you went and testified before the grand jury, you wanted to be as helpful as you could.
Of course.
E quando eu dar testemunho naquele júri grande, eu queria dar mais ajuda que eu podia, é verdade?
Correct.
Claro, of course.
And you didn't want to lie to them,
E eu queria contar as mentiras?
No.
Não.
and you didn't lie to them.
E eu contar as mentiras?
And you wanted
No.
to give them as much information as you possibly had.
E eu queria dar mais informação que eu podia dar.
Claro.
Of course.
And you did just that.
Eu vou fazer aquela.
Claro.
Of course.
You weren't under the influence of any drugs or alcohol or any medication.
Boca estava sob influência de álcool, droga ou remédio?
No.
Não.
Now, subsequent to that testimony, before you went back to the grand jury, did you meet with the law enforcement at all?
Depois daquele testemunho, antes de eu voltar para aquele júri grande, vou papiar com aquele polícia ou detetive?
I don't remember.
I don't remember.
Did you meet with the prosecutors at all?
E vou encontrar com o promotor de justiça.
2 dias depois.
2 days after.
After the first time that you testified before the grand jury,
Depois
did you meet
daquele,
with them again?
depois daquela primeira vez que vou dar testemunha na júri grande, vou encontrar com eles depois.
Yeah.
Yes.
And were these prosecutors here today?
E que esse promotor de justiça que está ali hoje?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. And did they show you anything?
E eles mostravam alguma coisa.
Alguma coisa like that.
Something like what?
Any photographs?
Alguns fotos.
I mean, falo de coisa, gasolina.
We talked a lot of things I don't remember.
Did they show you anything in the news?
Eles mostravam alguma coisa na notícia.
Something like
About what?
About this case?
Sobre esse caso.
that. Kenya.
Who?
That's what I'm asking you. Did they show you anything in the news?
Kelly como perguntava, eles mostravam alguma coisa na notícia.
Es Kenya.
Them who?
The prosecutors.
Promotor de justiça. I don't remember.
Did the police show you anything in the news?
E polícia mostrava alguma coisa na notícia. I don't remember.
Did anyone show you anything in the news after you testified before the grand jury?
E depois que botei testemunho na júri grande, alguém mostrava alguma coisa na notícia.
Coisa na notícia.
What in the news?
Anything?
Qualquer coisa.
Gasolina.
I don't remember.
Did you see anything in the news about this case after testifying first time before the grand jury?
Depois-
And before the second time?
Depois de botar testemunho, a primeira vez na júri grande, e antes de botar testemunho na segunda vez, alguém mostrava alguma coisa na notícia.
I mean, ninguém que mostrou essa hoje news a mim, so não digo nada.
Nobody showed me. I was myself watching the news, and I saw it.
And what did you see in the news?
E cos'è che vuoi già nella notizia?
It's been a while, I don't remember. Já fazia tempo só.
It's been a while, so I don't remember.
How much of the news footage did you see?
E canto de notícia boa já?
Canto vez.
How many times?
Yes.
Sim.
Excelente.
I don't remember.
Did you go on the internet and look up this case?
E vou pesquisar na internet.
In between the first and the second grand jury.
Entre aquele primeiro júri grande e aquele segundo.
Yeah.
Yes.
And did that help you remember facts that you testified to in the second grand jury?
E que ele lembrava de fatos que vou dar testemunho naquele segundo júri grande.
Sorry. Ser mais específico um bocadinho.
I'll be a little more specific.
Was there anything that you saw in the news that helped you remember what happened the evening of the shooting?
E tem alguma coisa na notícia que fazia você lembrar que coisa aconteceu na noite que da tiro?
Rosto.
The face?
And once you saw was it a photo of Mr. Hernandez?
Era uma foto do Sr. Hernandez?
Acredito que sim. I believe so, yeah.
I believe so.
Was it a photo of him handling a gun?
Era uma foto dele pegado num pistola?
Yeah, aquele que tem no mundo lá, yeah.
Yeah, it's the one that you have in your hands.
Okay. I approach the witness.
Yes.
Is that the photo you're referring to?
E aquela foto que você está fazendo referência?
He said yes.
E aquele sim?
Yeah, sorry,
Yeah.
yes, yes.
Is that the gun you saw that evening?
E aquele que pistola que você naquele noite?
Je perguntava-me de sobre a pistola, só você lembra aquela pistola?
You had asked already about the gun. I don't remember which gun.
And did that help you remember whether the shooter was shooting from the right or the left hand?
E que ele ajudava a lembrar se aquela pessoa que estava a dar tiro da mão direita ou esquerda?
So, canto que mo diga foto lá. Don't know.
When I saw that picture, give me a moment.
Não, que foto, ainda lembro-me canto de tiro e com a mão esquerda.
It was not the photo. I remember when he shot, it was with the left hand.
And you told the police that
E vou falar a polícia que lá?
that night?
Naquele noite?
Nunca se lembra. Nunca se lembra.
I don't remember. I don't remember.
Did you tell the grand jury that 2 days after?
E vou falar que o júri grande 2 dias depois?
Mas era com a mão esquerda?
That it was with the left hand?
Yes.
Sim.
I don't remember.
I don't remember.
Can I have a moment, Judge?
You may.
The news that you saw about Mr. Hernandez, was it the news that said that he was a suspect in your case?
Que notícia que vou olhar sobre o Sr. Hernandez? E que notícia que está falando que ele era suspeito na sua casa?
Nunca se lembra.
I don't remember.
Did you read or see or hear anything about Mr. Hernandez's involvement in the Odin Lloyd case?
E vou ouvir, vou ler ou vou olhar alguma coisa sobre o Sr. Hernandez estar envolvido naquele caso de Lloyd?
I mean, essa é a mesma coisa, mas vez, mas, yeah, no news, no início, yeah, era daquilo que você está falando no news.
You ask again on the same question, and yeah, the news, that's what they were talking about.
That the news was talking about Aaron Hernandez being a suspect in your case?
Que na notícia estava falando que Aaron Hernandez era suspeito no caso.
So,
I don't remember.
Was the news telling you that Aaron Hernandez was the person who shot you?
E na notícia estava a falar que Aaron Hernandez é aquela pessoa que dava o tiro.
I don't remember.
I didn't get that answer. Can you repeat that answer?
Não que eu me lembro.
It's not what I remember.
What do you remember the news saying?
Cosa você lembra que notícia from?
Or maybe we can get an answer as to when we're talking about. Sometime 12.
What
I
do
take
you...
it this is before the second grand
Correct.
jury appearance,
Correct.
is that right?
Yes, sir.
So this is about somewhere around 1 year after you were shot,
Que ele é mais ou menos
when there
ano
was
depois
stuff
que
on the
deu o tiro.
news.
Ano.
Ano
Question
depois
is,
que a esposa
what
dele já-
was the news that you saw?
Então
Was it
perguntem.
about your shooting, or did it involve the shooting of Mr. Lloyd, if you remember?
Se você lembrar aquela notícia antes daquela segunda vez que você testemunha na júri grande, aquela notícia que você era caso que envolvia o tiroteio ou tiro do Sr. Lloyd.
Quero que você lembre. Qual que hoje primeiro?
That's what I don't remember, which one I saw first.
But you saw them both.
Mas boja que os dois.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
You saw the news that said that Mr. Hernandez was the suspect in who shot you and your friends.
Yeah,
E houve notícia que o Sr. Hernandez era a pessoa que era suspeita de que dava o tiro e os amigos.
Yeah.
Yes.
And that was before you testified for the second time
E que ele
before the grand jury.
foi antes de dar testemunho diante do júri grande para a segunda vez.
I think so.
I think so, I don't know.
This photograph from TMZ, did you discuss it with Mr. Sanchez?
E esse foto que estava na TMZ, vou papiar com o Sr. Sanchez sobre ele.
Yes.
Yes.
And did you discuss that it was Aaron Hernandez who shot you?
E nós papiar que foi Aaron Hernandez que deu o tiro.
Yeah, no chega no mandar foto. So yeah, no chega de falar naquilo. Yeah.
I sent him the picture. Yes, we did talk about that.
So you sent Mr. Sanchez the photo.
Então vou mandar aquele foto para o Sr. Sanchez.
Você lembra se Mickey mandal ou ele mandam?
I don't remember if I was the one that sent it to him or if he sent it to me.
And did you do any other independent research online about Mr. Hernandez in your case?
E vou espiar na internet alguma informação sobre o Sr. Hernandez na casa.
Yeah.
Yes.
What did you do?
Coisa eu vou fazer?
Bem na internet, hoje a couple of interview.
I went on internet and I saw a couple interviews.
When the news broke about the Odin Lloyd case and him being a suspect in your case, did you then begin to follow the news on this topic?
Yeah.
Depois que a notícia saiu que ele era suspeito na casa Olan Lloyd, e depois que talvez ele era suspeito no caso, vou começar a seguir a notícia. Yes.
And it clearly affected your memory when you went to testify the second time.
E é claro que ele afeta a boa memória quando vou dar testemunho para a segunda vez.
Yeah.
Yes.
Mr. Hagan?
Couple of questions, sir. When you went to the grand jury 2 days after the shooting, do you recall telling the grand jury that the car that shot at you was an SUV that was silver or gray in color?
Sorry, I wasn't even paying attention.
Quando vou dar testemunho na júri grande, depois, 2 dias depois, vou te lembrar que vou falar júri que era SUV, que é cor cinza ou prateado?
Yeah.
Yes.
And when you testified to that detail, you had not seen anything in the news about Aaron Hernandez, correct?
E quando vou dar testemunho sobre aquele detalhe, ainda nunca tinha olhado nada na notícia sobre Aaron Hernandez, é verdade?
No início,
In the beginning?
Yes.
Sim.
talvez não olhava, mas nunca muito pay attention, né? So,
Maybe I saw it, but I wasn't paying attention.
It's 2 days after the incident, you described the SUV as silver or gray. correct?
Aquele 2 dias depois daquele incidente que vou falar que aquele SUV era prateado ou cinza.
yeah.
Yes.
Now, Mr. Freer, I'm just going to call your attention quickly to the second grand jury testimony that you gave about a year later after you had seen some media accounts.
Então vamos te chamar a atenção ao segundo testemunho que vou dar na júri grande, ano depois de que não vou dar alguma coisa na notícia.
And you indicated in the grand jury that your memory of what had happened was better when you testified in the grand jury the second time. Is that right?
E vou falar na júri grande que a memória estava melhor na segunda vez que vou dar testemunho naquele júri grande, que é verdade? Yes.
In your own words, Mr. Freer, can you describe why your memory was better a year later than it was 2 days after the incident?
E, Sr. Freire, vou poder explicar na vossa palavra por que boa memória estava mais claro ano depois da segunda testemunho que vou dar na júri grande do que naquele primeiro testemunho 2 dias depois.
No início não sabe, você não sabe porque esse momento, não sabe mais focado. Eu só mais pensava em meus amigos que moram, só nunca sabe muito focado na coisa que passa, nunca sabia exatamente qual é o motivo de aquela coisa, só.
At first time, I was not so much focused. I was more concerned about my friends and the fact that 2 of my friends had passed, and I was not focused of the reason why the things had happened.
And in the grand jury the second time, you described the shooter as light-skinned with a lot of tattoos on his arm. Was that affected at all by what you had seen on TV, or was that your actual memory?
E aquela segunda vez que vou dar testemunho na júri grande, vou falar na cor de braço daquela pessoa que dá tiro e tatuagem, e aquele de boa memória ou afetado depois que vou dar notícia que reflete mais na boa memória?
So, ele era alguém que é como alguém que eu usava no meu dia a dia, só nunca conseguia descrever exatamente o que era, mas canto que me hoje no
He was not someone that I could see on a day-to-day for me to remember to give a description of the person. But when I saw in the news,
mas canto hoje news, canto hoje se foto no news, lá que começa, memória começa a ficar mais clara.
and when I saw on the news and I saw his picture on the news, that's when my memory became clear.
Did you have a memory prior to seeing the news that the shooter was Hispanic white with a strong face and no beard and strong cheek area?
Antes de ver a notícia, eu tinha pensado que a pessoa branco, espanhol ou branco e que cara afinado e que tinha cabelo na cara. Yes.
Was that memory affected at all by what you had seen on TV or internet, or was that your actual memory?
E aquela memória foi afetada por do que veja na internet, na televisão, ou aquela é só boa memória?
Aquilo que hoje na televisão ajudam a reconstruir aquela memória para trás.
What I saw on TV, it helped to rebuild my back memory.
And just to clarify, Mr. Freer, to a question asked by Mr. Baez on direct examination, what the media that you saw on TV or internet about this case before testifying in the grand jury the second time, was it about Odin Lloyd or was it about Mr. Hernandez's involvement in this case?
Então, pergunta que a senhora vai fazer, que a notícia que mudou na internet ou na televisão sobre esse caso, foi afetado caso do senhor Odin Lloyd ou aquele caso que está afetado bom? I'm not sure about it.
So you're not sure whether or not you had seen anything before testifying in the grand jury the second time about Mr. Hernandez being a suspect in this case, correct?
Então, porque se lembrar se segunda vez que você testemunha na júri grande, se você tinha mencionado na televisão ou na internet mostrava que o senhor Hernandez estava envolvido como suspeito no
Yeah,
caso.
moja kila também.
Yes, I did see that.
You did see what?
Boja Kuzay.
News to find kila moja kila SUV being towed.
I saw the news talking about it and also the SUV being towed.
And that was before testifying in the second grand jury.
E que ele foi antes de você testemunha segunda vez na júri grande.
Yeah.
Yes.
Thanks, sir. No further questions.
Obrigada.
Sir, you are doing what Patriot think.
Você gostou daquele time futebol Patriot?
Essa pergunta.
Are you asking me?
Yes.
Sim.
I mean, got to see o jogo, so.
I don't follow the game.
But you've seen Mr. Hernandez in NFL football games before.
Mas eu vou tinha olhado o Sr. Hernandez no futebol da NFL.
Yeah, but nunca me pay attention to it like that.
But I never paid attention to it.
The answer is yes, you've seen him in an NFL football game
Então a
before
resposta,
the shooting.
foi que eu vou olhar no jogo de